Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are really excited to be out with Drey from Thomason Tradition Sportfishing today. I haven't been out with Drey, but South River Rob, or also known as Fig, has been out with him quite a bit, as well as his wife Christina. So we are out, South River boys and girls, out with Drey today, and man, we caught well over 100 rockfish. I tried to keep as much of the catching footage as I can, eliminating big intros and outros because I just wanted you guys to see all of the fish that we caught. So what a great day. If you want to get on a ton of rockfish, definitely check out Thomason Tradition Sportfishing. And here we go.
Give me an AllBlue. No, I don't think so. What? Oh, nice fish. Yeah, this is a good one, guys. Fat. Healthy. Look at this one. Oh, yeah. This is a good one. It's fattening up for the wood teeth. Good.
Oh my.
Oh, yeah, good. You feeling the bottom?
Oh yeah, I'm get the bottom and then working it out. Give him a tap. Oh, there we go.
There he is.
Finally.
Yeah, we're getting pretty deep.
All right, feisty. Oh, feisty. Feisty.
Healthy. Look at this one. Oh, yeah.
This is a good one.
Stop me up for the wood chip. Sounds like Drey's on. Somebody else is there.
Oh yeah, another little fatty. Oh, this guy got hooked on the... Okay. All right, no, he came off. That was a good one.
That one, I'm on. This is a strong fish.
Oh, that's a good fish.
Beautiful.
Oh man, we're still stacked up underneath this. Stacked. We should all be catching fish.
I need to move to the back. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Look at that stream. I can't catch a fish. He's getting hit on the reel in. I can't catch a fish with that. That's a bit taking on the jigging the whole time.
Fish on. This guy, look, chasers. Awesome.
Oh, there he is. Christina, you gotta get one, honey. Jerk that thing. If you saw the screen right now, honey, you wouldn't believe it. Huh? I know. Yeah. I don't know if it's too far of a ride for you. I figured I'd let you know, but I mean, it's wide open right now. And that Tuck,
Yeah?
oh, I got it.
Oh boy. Oh my goodness, good one.
Yeah, we've been working out the mouth too, but we got a better blink.
Get off?
Inside the river.
Either got off or broke me off.
No, I got off.
Did it take my foot?
And I mean, it's just many fishes, birds over there.
That was a good one, too.
All right, tripled up, baby.
I'm nervous about this one. I'm telling you, this mine got here.
Oh, nice fish. Yeah, he's still like a 19er. Yeah, this is a keeper.
Oh, yeah.
All right, buddy. All right. Okay, settle down. Settle, settle.
Yeah, just right. You didn't even put up that much of a fight. This is a big one, though. Heard it. Bigger than one. Got it. Thank you. I'm already playing.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Yep. Make sure he's okay to go in the box.
Oh, Christina's got a good one.
Beautiful fish.
Nice.
Oh, you got 2 boxes.
Woo! Another keeper size. Nice. Get him off the bottom.
Another big shout out.
Fish on. Oh yeah. Good one. Another good one. Mine's bigger. Look, look. Oh, don't go in there. Yeah, this is a good one. He's in a 20. I'm gonna guess 20s. Oh yeah. Woo! And he's feisty.
Don't reel against the ground.
Woo! All right, they're all about 20. They're all about 22 right now. This is another keeper. Are we keeping any more?
Oh, Peter's got a good one.
Guys, is this keeper size or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Now.
She's catching all the fish. That's what happens. That's what happens. You put a woman on the boat, they catch all the fish.
I don't always catch all the fish.
Whenever I'm on a boat with you, you catch all the fish.
Yeah, I know. I was about to say, I've never seen a time.
You know? She's very modest. Yeah?
Not to rub it in too
Oh,
bad.
shit.
Oh.
Shit.
Who tied that lure on?
Shit and shit.
Fish on. Oh, yeah. Are you on, Rob?
I was on it.
Oh.
Now they're hitting me left and right.
Oh, my gosh. They're hitting like hard, boy.
Yeah, snappy at the breed.
She got that poor fish. She's got that thing in his mouth now.
Pisses me off.
Oh, they stick like that.
What are you doing? I'm wondering if I don't have any hooks on here now. They're hitting me, not getting caught.
Possible.
Yeah, the hook's been
Woo!
pretty good.
Oh, man.
Let up. Oh, that's a nice one, Scott.
Thank you. They're all like 19, 20, but fat. Really, really fat. Okay, Bubba. Ooh, he's long. He is long. Ooh. Man, these guys are so feisty.
Yeah, nice fish, Scott.
Oh, there he is.
That screen's lit up.
Get it, Rob.
There he is. Look at the fish. They are crazy right now.
Oh my gosh, bro.
They are following this one in. There's a whole mess of them following.
Are we keeping this or putting them back?
I would put them. It's up to you. You decide. Once you get them done, you know.
I mean, they're all about this size.
Again, it's up to you. I mean, there are big ones in here. If you're looking.
Oh, I just nailed myself. The hook. What do we got in the box now?
Listen, I tend not to keep the good ones, the ones that are healthy.
Yeah,
If you ruin one, then you got to keep it. You understand what I mean?
Right.
If he's not bleeding, then throw him back.
All right.
Yeah, if you hook them easy, then just let them go. But
That makes sense.
That's right.
I like it.
that's the point.
And get back fish and catch another one.
Exactly.
Catch a bigger one.
Right.
All right.
On.
Come on, man. Fish on. Oh! Oh, man. There he is. Oh my gosh, I can't believe he came back for it. Holy mackerel. Wow. Feisty, feisty. Oh, look at the chasers too. Oh, you must have gotten snagged, buddy.
Got one of those chasers.
You got one of my chasers? Excellent. You're welcome. I think this guy's maybe like side hooked because he feels much bigger than he really is. Ah, still a good fish. Nice. Look at him dance, baby.
Yeah, you got a good size one, huh?
Oh yeah. Another keeper size. Another keeper size.
This screen is absolutely ridiculous.
Woo!
I've never seen a screen any better than that one.
Look at that, baby.
That freaking screen
That
is
is a
wow.
beautiful, healthy fish, boy.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
That's beautiful. Beautiful fish. There he is. Get him? He's chasing? He's nibbling?
Yep.
That's what mine was doing. Then I set the hook and started reeling it in, and he actually came back and hit it. Like, dude, you were hungry.
There he is.
Nice. You feel like you're getting them more up in the column?
Yeah, a little bit. I think they're everywhere.
Oh yeah, they are. I'm just feeling like I'm not getting any hits down the bottom. Like I'm getting them when they're bringing them up. Oh my gosh. Stacked. Fish on. Oh, never mind what I just said about the bottom. I dropped it to the bottom. The first jig, fish was on it. Nice.
Covered up, Tina. You getting any?
Yep. Same 19 class. Actually, this one looks like he's a little smaller.
Oh, there he is.
Man, I really wish I brought my pliers today. Oh, he got off.
Nice.
Thank you. Self-release, we call that.
Yeah, I like that. You like when you can at least see them before they get off.
Yeah. Oh, he was nice. He was probably about 17, 18 though. But they fight so hard this time of year.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Oh my gosh.
You can also switch rods.
I've got like 3 fish.
That is a stack.
Make that 4.
You just got one. She just got
I
one.
got one now, I guess. Oh, you're drag.
I love it. That's a good one.
There he goes. Oh.
Yeah, yeah, they're all that same size.
Let's see if you can take yourself off there.
Oh. Nice. fish. Yeah, another keeper size.
They're following. I got followers.
Yeah, they're hitting plastics too.
I got followers.
Definitely in the middle
Big time.
column.
I got followers.
Fish on. Whoa. Oh. Hello.
Nice.
Oh, this guy's feisty.
Fighter.
He is a fighter. Look at him, man. Yeah, they're all the same exact size. They're all brothers and sisters. They're all 19 and 20 inches. Actually, that guy's a little smaller. Fight like crazy though, man. So fun. Still stacked up, guys. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Woo! This is fun. This is fun.
Exciting.
That means we got all those catches. All right. I love Rob's noises. Fish on! Ooh! 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 The grunts are just priceless. The fig grunts.
You need to come out with him when he's catching red drum one after another.
We need to videotape it and make a meme
Talk
out of
about
it.
excitement.
Make a fig meme.
So you could do a little recording, and then we could send it to Grant. He'll put it on for.
There you go. Oh, I've done a ton of. I got a ton of. I have all kinds of recordings.
What is that? That looks like that looks like me getting a hook in my hand and I'm doing with that.
Still stacked.
I love when we're drum fishing and we get into them good and everybody's hooked up and Fig's line just over there screaming. He's like, Drey, this isn't good. This isn't good. We gotta go. This isn't good. He's got a nasty spike on his top too. That's actually up there.
Well, what happened is, yeah, it got.
Oh, it's actually wrapped around the fish.
Oh my gosh, still stacking, still stacking.
Yeah, please don't get yourself in the hook.
Come on. Come on, come back.
Man, I can't believe nobody's hooked up.
Oh, I am.
I just got
Are you?
Oh, come on, dude.
Another hit.
I just got tapped like 4 times.
Yeah, I'm getting tapped.
Yeah, I am too.
I'm just bad fisher.
Oh my gosh. Are they not rockfish? Whoa, fish on. Oh, they're rockfish. Wow, that was weird, man. I'm right under the boat, so I might have somebody. I don't know. Oh, no, there he is. Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah, look at him.
What's that?
That's a dead fish. Wow.
Wow. He's not even trying.
Yeah.
That means probably someone like caught him and took 20 pictures and then put him back. No, he's not good. Oh my gosh, the screens is stacked and stacked. No, he's not healthy. Fish on. Oh, good one, Rob. Red drum.
What'd you say?
Red drum.
Big red drum?
Red drum.
It's huge. It's a 47-inch fish.
No, but it's a nice one though.
Oh yeah. Oh, good fish. Mid-20s. Okay, maybe not. 24. Eh, 21. He looked feistier in the water. He looked bigger in the water. All right, how am I not catching any fish with all these marks down there? Oh, there he is. There he is. How am I not catching any fish with all these marks down there? He said, I'll show you. Uh-oh, I do have you.
I think we're hooked up or something.
Yep.
I can't.
Yep.
Go under her.
Go.
All right. There we go. Good.
You still
Good to
have
go. Yep, still got fish. Whoopsie. What are you doing, Real? Oh, stop that. Don't do that to this nice man's boat. Christina's on.
I'm on.
Little guy.
Double up.
Two?
Doubled up. Let me see if I can get home. Triple. Let's get tripled. Come on. Come on. I felt you.
Now look, all those birds just picked up down there. There's thousands of them.
Nice. Oh, look at that little fishy. He cute. He cute little guy. Cute little guy. I'm still marking.
I was getting all the fish roused up for you guys down there.
Fish on. Fish on.
Oh, watch that motor.
Yep. Got him.
Nice work.
Thanks.
Another nice fish. Another nice fish.
Ooh. What's this popping for?
We're covered in it again.
Cover, Tina.
Covered. Oh yeah, look. I got your twin. Looks exactly like the fish you caught.
Yep.
Man.
And he's going again. He's going again.
Awesome.
You got a good one there.
Could be. Feels pretty good. Really is.
All right.
That's a pretty good one.
Oh yeah. Fat. Getting into those fall footballs.
Yeah, they've all been keepers. We've only had about a handful of those small ones.
Yeah.
That looked very good.
Look at that. They're just keeper after keeper.
Small baby. I'll just switch back.
Did you get fish?
No. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm getting bit. I'm getting bit.
He should be. Oh my gosh, he should be.
Yeah, throw to the left side.
He's going. Yep. Laughing. Oh, drag puller.
Why do you look like you're reeling in a 50-pounder, dude?
Because it's a good fish.
Turn that. There you go. Thanks.
No, I'm not. Honey. No, I'm not. Wait till you see him. You look.
Jay's Butte.
Oh, they're stacked up. I'm getting hit.
Look at that fish. Gorgeous. Oh, Mama had one.
Fatty.
Drey, look at that one.
Wow, that's a nice fish,
Oh,
Vic.
yeah. That's fat.
Really nice fish.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
They're all, both sides of the boat
come
now
on.
are loaded.
Come on. Come back for it. Come back for it. There you go. Oh, there he is.
Yes. Ooh, did someone just throw out there?
That was me.
Oh, okay.
You should have said no.
Oh, yeah.
No. Should have psyched him out.
Nice. Woo. All right, feisty. Settle. Were you just retrieving or were you jigging it?
I was jigging it.
There he is. Carson, baby.
I got your medal.
There's a big one.
Okay.
There's a big one down there. Follow me up.
You want to switch back to the metal?
Just let me just drive in. He's catching off the
Yeah.
tattletale. Wow, that's deep. Oh, there he is. And he got off. There he is. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, this could be a drag puller.
Oh.
That's weird. How he's swimming right towards me. Look at that.
Yep.
He swam right towards the boat. Off bad fisherman.
There's that $50 bet.
Do it every time. Once you take the love of the game out, it's all over. It becomes about money. Oh, there he is. Oh, good. Let me try to get one with you.
Come on, Christine. You still got a chance.
I'm gonna try to get
Bring
one
him in
with
the
you.
boat.
Oh God, this is a big one.
You gotta bring him
Okay,
in the
this
boat.
is I'm staying right here because I want to catch a follower. I want to catch a chaser, man.
This is a big fish.
I can tell this is a big one. It hurt my chest even.
Oh,
Oh, it hurt my chest.
the dramatics.
It's a big one.
The dramatics.
No, you.
It is, yes. It's a 30. It's a 30. It's a 30. Come on, let me get one on a chaser.
Please stay on.
He looks like a 30.
That looks like a $50 fish to me.
Yeah, that looks like $50
I was just joking when I said that.
Oh, yeah. Oh no. Oh no. There's no take backs. Oh, no. Nice fish, buddy.
Oh, that's a
Oh, he's
view.
bleeding. Oh, look, another bleeder. All right, let's get him. All right, well, he's a 30 anyway, so he's high 20s. High 20s. I didn't wait around.
No, he just inhaled.
Sorry. Hungry. You went
Fish on.
my thing.
Oh, another
Pliers.
good one.
I do.
Another good
Suck
one.
for you. I only got one hook. Oh, beautiful. That was nice.
Yeah, he wasn't
Okay.
too bad back there.
Hurt yourself. It's beautiful. How many we got? Four. Oh, that's good. Yeah, he's another one of the 1920ers. 1920ers. Woo! Dance to the dance. 5. Yeah.
Keep one more
Let's clean
side.
up. Let's clean up the
I'll hold on.
Let's clean up the bed. What are you saying? Just wait till we get hurt. If we hurt one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to clean the boat real quick.
I got it. You keep on
Are you
fishing.
sure? Are you sure?
Yep.
Did we already put those in there, or was my head like
Yeah, that's from somebody else.
Okay. Big one's following me.
Ooh.
There's some big fish following me. I'm excited.
Yeah, we're covered in them now.
Let the games begin.
Round 2. Or round 12.
Oh, here's some screaming. Oh, there he is. Oh, right on the bottom. Whole mess of fish here. When I'm reeling this up, they're like 5 fish following.
Nice. Whoa.
You okay?
Yeah.
You all right?
Covered in them pretty good.
Believe me, I know it's going to get better and better. But come on, pick up. Holy shit. Steve, you okay?
All right, stacked. Still stacked. Big time. Good job. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Definitely getting hit.
Oh, there's 1,000 fish under it.
Oh, y'all are gonna laugh. Tina, look at my lure.
No hooks left?
I have no hooks. I have no hooks. No wonder I can't catch a fish. I was getting hits and I have no hooks. Oh, you gotta go around? Go around. Come on. Here. Oh, just stay there.
Pull it out.
Just stay there. Stay there. Well, let him go down. He'll go down, hopefully. You're too far under.
Are you in the motor?
Yeah, she's got him. She's got him. She's got him. She's got it.
That looks like a good one, too. Hold on, your fish is over here. Your fish is over here.
Oh, it's over there? But she's still reeling it. Good, you're going all right.
Nice fish. Your line was just over here. Dude, that's a nice fish. All right, you got him on.
Keep reeling.
Yeah, we're stacked, guys. They're even thin. We're still stacked.
No, we had a great time, believe me. Thoroughly. Good, honey?
Thrilling. You know, if Fig uses the T word, it was a good day. Thrilling.
Yeah, thrilling.
I wish these birds would stop.
Oh no, they're doing it
I
again.
know, it's torture.
Oh my god.
It's torture.
All right, we gotta go.
Yeah, let's head back.
After that one, no. I'm kidding.
Just one more
Hey, Christina,
cast
you got another
over there.
fish? I got another fish. Actually, we all got another fish. You got a couple. Couple good ones.
Yeah, they finally started hitting that paddle tail. They didn't want it.
Yeah. That's the metal today.
I mean, I'm good if you want to go. I don't care. Fine.
Yeah, we can head back. Let these boats have fun. I think we were the only boat that I saw catch fish just then.
Yeah, and they're all
I don't
watching
know
us.
how, but
Well,
They don't have AllBlues on their boat.
right, we're good anglers.
Telling you. I mean, we got the best captain too, but we're good. The best captain and the best food.